We're in Sevilla, Spain.
Start over.
Oh. Hi, it's Peter.
Oh, sorry, I just burped.
I'm with the burping Russian girl.
Oh. Bon dia. Vapos. Vapos?
The theme for Spain is sexy Spanish. 4 duffel bags full of swimsuits.
65 pounds of makeup.
Oh, hi. Oh,
Yes.
yeah, it's so not my fault. I know. Just so full. Oh, what?
You have the first sneak peek at what I have on.
Peter.
Aloha. We're gonna make a little push-up for my aloha. We need to surprise a Spanish man.
We have horses today. They're real.
I'ma ride that horsey. Yeah, arms up, great. Wow.
Alex, better work it, Alex. Now, Alex, go.
Photographer's workout.
Here she goes. Boom, boom, boom.
So, as you know, models do eat. And what we do eat during the shoot? A bacon candy. Mwah.
We're walking in to a bull ring.
Yeah, it's called El Puerto de Santa Maria.
Yes.
All I know is it's 104, and they call this place the frying pan.
How was doing a bullfighter's hair?
Amazing. He's so handsome and he's so strong. Watch him move, it's incredible.
Oh, Jules. Keep up the good work.
You too.
Break a leg.
You too.
I'm gonna break your legs.
I'm gonna break your precious. I'm gonna go downstairs and pick up something, okay?
Say bye, Tracy.
Hasta luego.
Peter.
Ciao.
Ciao.
MJ. Cállate la boca. Pare ahora.
2015.
Oh, MJ. No.
Hi, I'm Jessica Garnes. And I'm Jessica Perez. If you want to see more of us, log on to si.com and look at some dailies.